Hey guys, what is up? My name is Cam Jennings, and I am the creator of Trench Gimmicks, a simple man's guide to money getting attention. I hope you guys are doing amazing out there, and I want to thank you so much for your interest in my product. What I wanted to do right now is I wanted to give you a little quick tour of the sales page. Don't worry, it's really quick. And then I want to give you a little tour of what looks like what. Oh my goodness. I want to give you a little tour of the inside of Trench Gimmicks. I'm so excited. I'm tongue-tied right now. So anyways, let's go ahead and look at the sales page. Let me share my screen with you, and let's get over to the sales page. So here's the sales page of Trench Gimmicks. Now, the first thing I want to point out is if you look in the background, it's weird looking, right? I'm not going to sit here and explain to you what the background means. However, if you like my product, when you pick up Trench Gimmicks and you like my product and you're still wondering about this weird background on the sales page, I want you to feel free to email me at camjenningspro@gmail.com and ask me about it, because I have a funny story to tell you about the background on the sales page. But anyways, this is the sales page to Trench Gimmicks. 17 secrets to getting more attention on your products and services. 16 cost nothing, all are proven. Trench Gimmicks, a simple man's guide to money getting attention. We are going to go live on September 5th at 1 a.m. Eastern time, okay? As I do this video right now, recording it for you, that's about 132 hours away. Now, if you scroll down here a little bit, this full audio experience is filled with stories and unique proven tactics to finally help you stop getting ignored and start getting results, okay? You can click right here. Hey guys, what is up? Cam Jennings here. I am the creator of Trench, and you'll get a special message from me, but I'll save that for you when you want to check out the sales page on your own. We come down here and we got exactly what you're getting. 17 proven trench gimmicks right here delivered to you via audio, MP3s. That's over 2 hours of action-packed content so that you can start taking action immediately. You're also going to get the full online streaming version of those 17 trench gimmicks, the whole product. You're going to get an online streaming version of it as well so that you can listen uninterrupted, quickly, and at variable speeds to save time. Because I know some of you lunatics out there love to listen to audiobooks and stuff like that at ×2 and ×3 speeds, which is crazy to me. But I know some of you guys like to save time doing that. So that's why we got the online streaming version as well, so you can listen at variable speeds. Then thirdly, you got 3 additional secret bonuses in there. And I'm not even going to tell you what they are. All I'm going to say is their value meets or exceeds the value and cost of Trench Gimmicks. That's all 3 of them separately, and you get 3 of them in there. I'm not even going to tell you what they are, but they're in there. They're added specifically to be congruent with Trench Gimmicks to enhance the power of Trench Gimmicks. You're going to love them, okay? Now, you have absolutely nothing to lose here. You got everything to gain, because I have priced this to sell. I priced this at a low price of $5.97 for the launch period of 4 days. After that, this product's going to go up to 27 bucks. But anyways, this is the sales page. It's very, very simple, right? We look at the length of this sales page. You'll notice it's much shorter than the length of most sales pages out there. Why? Because I don't want to waste your time. I want to explain to you what is in here, what it has to offer you, what kind of result it can get for you, and that's it. And I'll let you make an intelligent, informed buying decision, right? And that's it. So anyways, that's the sales page. Let's get into what you get. When you pick this product up, you're going to be met with this PDF. Now, this simple PDF is going to allow you to link out to all the different things, okay? Here's the 3 secret bonuses that I talked about. Here's an introduction video. Here's download the Trench Gimmicks product right there, so you get all the MP3s that you can download right there to your hard drive. And the third one down is listen to the Trench Gimmicks online here. That's the online streaming version of Trench Gimmicks that you can listen to at variable speeds. Then we got the secret bonuses here. Then we got recommended resources here. We got the refund policy right here. And that's it. Very, very simple. Little 4-page PDF that you get when you pick up Trench Gimmicks. It's very easy. It's straightforward. I think you're going to love it, and I think it's going to improve your year. I think it's going to help your business, and I think it's going to do for you exactly what I said it's going to do, which is help you get more attention for whatever you got going on. You're going to love it. And I tell you what, I can't wait to see you inside Trench Gimmicks. Let me go ahead and stop sharing my screen. That being said, thanks so much for your interest. Buy with confidence, and I'll see you inside the product. All right, peace, everybody. Cam out.